Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide likes and share count on your content in Instagram. Very easy, very simple, let's dive in. First thing, let's launch to the Instagram app. I want you to click on the lower right corner on your profile picture. Then I want you to head towards the top and click on the three straight lines. Then I want you to click on settings and privacy. When you're at settings and privacy, I want you to scroll down to the section what you see. I want you to click on the last option in the section, which is like and share counts. Essentially over here guys, you will be able, by simply placing this on, to hide like and share counts. The number of likes on posts and reels from other accounts will be hidden. You can hide the number of likes on your own posts and reels by going to advanced settings before sharing. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this in a minute. First thing first guys, by clicking this, you will not be able to see how many likes or how many views somebody got on their content, okay? How many people share the content. You're not gonna be able to do it. Let me show you how to do the exact same thing on your own posts. All you gotta do is to click on the lower center of the screen and click on the plus sign. Let's pick up a content. Let's publish this picture over here. Press next, and right before publishing, I want you to scroll down to the bottom of the page of the menu, and I want you to click on advanced settings. Here, the second option over here will be like and view counts. You can toggle this on. Essentially, this will hide the likes and the views and the counts of the shares on the actual post that you're publishing. So we just learned how to hide other people's likes, comments, shares on their own content. But now I just show you how to do the same exact thing with your own posts. So you can do this manually. You can do this individually, meaning on every single post right before publishing. You can come over here to advanced settings, right? Scroll all the way to the bottom and adjust the visibility, adjust how the post will be presented in front of the feed on Instagram. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.